Hey TMW fans, thanks for stopping by. It's Eric again, and we've got something really exciting for you to kick off the 2022 riding season. We have got a review of the all-new Cardo FREECOM 4X. This is the latest evolution to Cardo's FREECOM line. It's got the Bluetooth 5.2 architecture, it's got improved range over the outgoing 4 Plus model, and a lot of other goodies that we'll get into in a future video. But for now, let's just go over the unboxing and the install. We're not going to spend a lot of time on the install because every helmet's different. I do encourage you to watch some YouTube videos or talk to some professionals before you go tearing apart your helmet, okay? Alright, let's get into it. Great packaging. Take the clamshell apart. Here's the actual unit. You can remove it from the helmet to charge it separately. Cardo sticker, paperwork. Open up the accessories box. Adhesive, the charging cable, adhesives and velcros, the actual speaker, and there's the cradle. Boom mic. Okay, so first we're going to prep our connection areas for the speakers with the alcohol pads that come included. Your helmet should have or might have wells for speaker pockets on the sides underneath the cheek pads. Again, it's ultra manual. There's the velcro discs for attaching the speakers. One on the left, one on the right. Now we're going to put in the microphone. It's already attached to its own Velcro pad, so I'm just going to peel that off and attach it right there in the chin piece of the helmet. Again, fitment will vary depending on your helmet. Find a good spot for it. Try not to block any vents. Then we're going to go ahead and attach the far side speaker. That's the right speaker. And then I'm going to attach the left side speaker channel. Next, we're going to open up the neck roll of the helmet here at the back. Go ahead and stash the wires back in behind there. There is plenty of wire length that comes with this kit for your installation, so you should be fine. Now we're going to attach the clip between the EPS liner and the helmet gasket. Some helmets this just won't work, and as a matter of fact, at the end of this video I decided to switch to the adhesive pad. So give that a shot. There's connecting the 3.5mm audio connection, and then you end up with that big thick barrel you have to find a good place to stash in the helmet. There's connecting the mic wire, and then I'm just going to tuck that connection up underneath the strap well that's inside the helmet. There's a nice little void there for it. Depending on your helmet, finding a spot for that 3.5mm barrel can be difficult. With the bell star that I've got here, I'm going to end up tucking it underneath the neck roll. I'll show you in a moment. So all those wires and everything are just going to tuck up into that crease because the bell star has got a real flimsy sort of neck roll on it. Not flimsy, just thin material. So it all sort of fits up into that crease. Tuck all your pads back away. Make sure you don't sever any wires with the little tab wedge. And there you go. Okay, so there's the installation done and complete. As you can see, it wasn't terribly difficult to do. And again, I do encourage you to watch some YouTube videos or read your helmet owner's manual if you need help figuring out the best way to install the unit into your helmet. Now let's go ahead and get out on the bikes with these things, get them paired up. Next video is going to be all about the reviews of the features and benefits of the Cardo 4X, and we'll see how it performs.